Get out of here! I'm working!
Oh, it's so great. Yeah, I can't even believe that.
Ooh, man. Alright, I'm looking good today. I'll eat those. I can't wear this for my first day. Let me get something fresh. Only 2 days old. Alright guys, I'm ready for school! Yes! I'm so ready to meet all the people in my hall. Hi. Girls, ew! Guess what? I totally just rizzed this girl. You should have seen her. She was speechless. Oh, gross! I get it. Oh, ow! I'm finally done after 5 hours. Yes! Good night. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Comment down below what you want to see next.